Hello.
Hello.
Oh, smells really eggy in here.
Well, I opened the eggs.
Oh. Oh, I hate it. I hate the egg smell.
It's not that bad.
It's gross.
It's not that bad. No one will know.
Oh, I know.
Hello, vintage neighbors. Welcome to the Vintage Girl Next Door. My name is Laci, and today I have a vintage gadget to test out for you. Today we are testing this, I believe it's 1960s, Toshiba egg cooker, automatic egg cooker. This gadget was actually sent to me by one of you guys, and I wish I knew who it was. It was ordered on eBay and shipped to me directly from the seller on eBay, so I'm not sure who it's from, but if you're watching this, thank you so much. I am so excited to test out the gadget that you sent to me. It's gonna be fun. I felt like it was the perfect time to test out this egg cooker because this Sunday is Easter. So we're gonna test this out, and then hopefully, if it works as planned, then I will make a recipe from the Better Homes and Gardens salad book. We will make some deviled eggs, a classic traditional Easter appetizer. So let's take a closer look at this gadget. I am super excited for this one. It looks like it's never been used, you guys. Look, the cord still has the paper seal like wrapped around it. I feel like I can use it without breaking it, so I'm gonna try not to do that. Here is the egg cooker itself. We have an on-off switch. I love the cute little handles. It's very gadgety looking to me. And the lid inside, it came with this little measuring cup, and it is marked for soft, medium, and hard boiled eggs. And then there's the tray. Looks like we can do 5 eggs at a time, and then this is the base. Now, unfortunately, it did not come with any direction booklet or manual or anything like that, and I've tried to look online for one, couldn't find one, so we're winging it. And from what I've seen online about other egg cookers is that you need to pierce the bottom of the egg with a little pin so that it doesn't explode. I'm really glad I found that out before having an egg disaster on our hands. So I will be doing that. The only thing I'm slightly concerned about is I don't know how long to do it. Like, I don't know if, since there's an on-off switch, I don't know how long to leave it on. So we're playing it by ear on that one. I mean, when you're hard boiling eggs, it doesn't take very long at all. You just have to, you just get them to boiling and then turn it off. So I'm thinking maybe I'll let it go for like 10 or 15 minutes. Well, I don't know. We will see. It's gonna be a trial. We're testing it. That's the whole point of this video. I'm testing out the gadget for you for the first time. We'll see. It'll be an adventure. And also, as I had mentioned last week, I will be announcing the winner for the giveaway for those vintage items of mine that I am giving away to one of you. We will announce the winner at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around for that. So let's get into it. Let's test out this gadget. I'm excited. I do like hard-boiled eggs, and I do quite enjoy deviled eggs and egg salad and things like that, so I am excited. Let's see what we can do. Let's cook some eggs. So I can kind of hear something happening. It kind of sounds like my electric kettle a little bit. So I think I see some steam. Oh, that was fast. It's only been literally like 1 minute. I don't know if you can see that steam coming out, but it is. That's exciting. Seems like it's working. You guys, after almost exactly 10 minutes, the switch just flipped down on its own to off. So, that's good. Let's check out the eggs. Okay, it just turned off. I'm gonna take off the lid carefully in case there's steam. Oh, so pretty much it looks like pretty much all of the water is gone. Smells like eggs. They are pretty warm. I wonder if I should put them in some cold water to cool them off. Also, none of them exploded, so that's good. Okay, I decided to put, I'll cool like 2 of them. Yikes. I'm gonna unplug this. Okay, I think I'm gonna cool 2 of them in cold water and see how that does, and then I'll leave 3 of them to cool on their own, and we'll see how those do. Oh yeah, they're quite hot. Okay, they're cooling down quite nicely. Cool off, little eggs. They're still slightly warm, but they're not hot, so I'm gonna go with it. How strange. Look at the top of it. Why does it look weird like that? That's so weird. Ew. Weird. Okay. There's water inside. That's probably from the bowl. The cool down bowl, I would guess. Let's see if this one looks like that one on the top. All weird. That one peeled a little easier, and it doesn't look weird on the top. Good. I don't like the way that looks. I mean, that looks like a pretty egg to me. Okay. Let's shell one of the hot ones. Still, oh yeah, it's still real warm. This one's not peeling as easy. I think it was better to put it in the water and let it cool. This one did not peel as nicely. Look, some of it stuck to the shell. Awesome. Okay, to get the full effect, let's slice one and let's see how the yolk looks. I mean, that's a pretty good looking egg, I would say. The yolk is cooked all the way through. I mean, Yeah, that worked really nicely, I would say. Weird one. Okay. On the weird one, the yolk is a tiny bit softer cooked in the middle, but still would be considered a hard-boiled egg, I would say. So the egg cooker totally worked, like a charm, shut off on its own, cooked the eggs pretty much perfectly, I would say. So I am going to start on the deviled egg recipe. All right, let's get started on this deviled egg recipe. First of all, we're going to need 6 hard-cooked eggs, which, as you see, I only have 5, so we're going with it. And we are going to remove the egg yolks, first of all, and mash them together. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Two teaspoons of mustard. And mix that up so it's nice and smooth. Then adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a little stir. A dash of pepper. And then I decided to fill 2 eggs just with this mixture alone, just because I didn't know how I was going to feel about the other ingredients. So I did 2 of them plain, and then I'm adding 1 tablespoon finely chopped celery. And the recipe does list this as optional, so not required. Doing my very best to get the finely chopped celery. And then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of minced onion, and I know I'm definitely not doing this the best way. I'm sorry, and I'll try harder next time. But I did my best to chop it up very, very finely. And add that in, give it a nice mix. And then you're going to just go ahead and spoon it into the eggs. And there you have it. Super quick, super easy. I forgot to add the paprika. Okay, our deviled eggs are done, and it is time for the moment of truth, time to taste them. They look great. I made most of them according to the recipe, but I did 2 of them that are just plain without the celery or onion, just in case, because I've never had them that way and I don't know how I feel about it. So let's taste them and see what we think. It's pretty good. I'm not used to onions and celery, but it's not bad. Yeah, I like them. They're tasty. I think I prefer just plain, like without the onions and celery, but it's not bad. Like if you have a texture thing and you want a little bit of crunch in there, it's totally good. Let's talk about this gadget. Let's give it a rating. So, first of all, for aesthetics, it is very cute, very compact. I like the chrome. I mean, it could be a prettier color maybe. But the little handles are cute. The little dome top is cute. I'd probably, I mean, it's kind of plain. I would maybe give it like a 3.5 out of 5 for aesthetics. It does look mid-century. It does look cool. I like the chrome. But I mean, there's nothing like super special about it. Now, as far as efficiency, did it do what it said it was going to do? Did it do it well? Yeah, I was very surprised at how fast it cooked those eggs. 10 minutes and they were totally done and hard-boiled perfectly. So I'm gonna say 5 out of 5 on that one. It was really good. Didn't take hardly any water. It's much more efficient than filling up a big pot of water to boil your eggs. The only thing is if you want a whole bunch, then that, I mean, I could see that would be a thing because there's only, you can only do 5 at a time. But if you're just doing a little appetizer tray, you think about 5 eggs cut in half, that's 10 pieces. That's totally plenty for a small little family gathering. So yeah, I think super efficient. I'm gonna say 5 out of 5. Have we ever had that rating before? I don't know if I have. I feel like I'm very picky. But this one, it worked really well. Now, I didn't talk about the price earlier. I don't know how much this cost because it was sent to me for free by one of you, so I'm not sure. I have seen them listed on eBay when I was looking around for a manual and things like that, and they seem to go anywhere from $20 to $40 depending on the condition and what's included. And this one was mint condition. I don't think it's ever been used, so I'm very grateful to whoever sent this to me. Thank you so much. Totally worth it. And I wasn't able to find how much they cost in the 1960s either. I do believe it's late 60s probably, possibly early 70s for this model. Couldn't nail it down, but I mean, even for $20 on eBay, I would say well worth it. 2 thumbs up from me. The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's get to the giveaway. Let's see who is our lucky winner for the prizes for the 100K giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to the winner. Thank you so much for being here, supporting me on my channel. Each and every one of you, it means the world to me, and I'm so glad that you are all here and a part of the vintage neighborhood. If you are new and you have not subscribed already, please do so. I upload every Monday. Make sure you click the bell so that you know when a new video is posted, and we would love to have you join in the vintage neighborhood for more of our vintage fun. So stick around. We would love to have you here. Thank you all so much for all of your love for Johnny Cash. If you haven't seen the last video, I talk about what happened to him when he was missing for 11 days. So thank you so much for the outpouring of love and support. He much appreciates it, and so do I. Thank you so much. And I hope that wherever you are in the world, you are feeling safe and feeling loved, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!
Thank you.